Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BlasianBeauty, and I'm back with the beauty period. So today I'm coming to you guys with a unboxing video. I know y'all like we seeing you with this same outfit and makeup, girl. Yeah, I know I'm doing back-to-back videos, back-to-back for you guys. So this is the box that I have. I got this hair off AliExpress. It took this hair 3 days. You can see me, I think 3 days. But this is JazzStar hair. It's 100% human hair. They have their email on it. Good quality hair, wigs at a reasonable price, and it's a little cute box. I think it's so cute because it got like stars and stuff on it, and so decorated, so cute. I ordered a 16-inch wig, hence the 16 right here. The reason why I got it because I want to do a photo shoot with 13 hair. I'm like, let me go on AliExpress. I'm a little cheap wig, not cheap, but a decent amount of money wig, and they have pretty good reviews on the little AliExpress site. So I'm like, why wouldn't I try them? So I'll just open the box. Now I'm not gonna lie, I have opened the box, but I haven't took the hair out of the package and stuff. So would all come with it a little card with instructions and stuff, how to wash and take care of the hair. You know, it's so cute. I appreciate somebody that actually put thought into their product. So like I said, I really like this box. I'll probably be keeping the box, keeping the wig in the box. They have like cute little instructions on here. It didn't come with lash or anything, but that doesn't bother me because I mean it just don't. But this is how the wig look. I think it has the lowest amount of density, but I don't know. I think that's what I put because it look very thin. This wig look thin in the mud, and the hair, it's kind of like choppy. I can already tell you, like little strands of hair poking out. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but you get for what you pay. I think I paid $88 for this wig, $88 for this wig. But yeah, it's just a basic closure. I'm probably gonna like tint the lace or whatever of this closure, and it has 3 clips. And this, I mean, it looked thin, but the hair is soft. It smell like normal AliExpress hair, and it's, y'all see that? That's what I was talking about. Little hair sticking up, like. No, sis, that ain't cute. What was y'all thinking? Let me see. Let me get a little picture. Because I ain't putting it on now. Y'all say I got little braids. Okay, sis. Okay. Like I said, it's very thin, though. And this ain't no 16, baby. Well, let me see. I don't know. But this hair, like, thin in the mud. I probably just wear this hair straight. It's so thin, like, y'all. I'm gonna be scared to put heat on it. The only thing I'm probably gonna do is put, like, oh, y'all see that closure, though? That closure nice in the mud. This probably was gonna be my shoe hair, and that's it. But y'all can see this hair look nice. It look nice on. I might not even have to like tint the lace. They plucked it itself very nicely. All I'm gonna have to worry about is this little speck hair. Like, y'all need to see a whoop. Far as what I see now, I give this hair 4 out of 10. I really want to get it a freaking 1 out of 10 because of that, but I'ma just, I don't know. They got a little card on here too, like the link and stuff. But thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna hit y'all up with the review because they were a little skeptical, y'all. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.